So we're here at the side of our new dental office on this chilly day. I'm so excited about it. I remember walking through this neighborhood on my lunch breaks 10 years ago, thinking about just how lovely this street was, how lovely this little view was. At the time, there was a house here, so I never imagined at that point that we would one day be building our dream office on this site. So it feels like a very full circle moment for me. But yeah, I'm excited to bring you on inside, show you what we've been working on for, I don't know, probably the last year and a half. We got to start totally from scratch, just, what do we want to build? Like, what kind of office do we want? Where do we want it to be laid out? We didn't have to retrofit anything. And so this is the culmination of just starting with that blank sheet of paper and figuring out like our perfect dental office. So I'm excited to bring you on inside and show you. All right, so here we are in our new lobby. We're really excited about this. After working in our old space, we started to think about how we could make this feel more homey, more welcoming, and be more patient-centered. So the first thing you'll notice is we have a fireplace. We're gonna make sure that we have some comfortable chairs, a variety of seating. After you walk in, you'll pass by our front desk here, and immediately you'll see that there's a beverage bar. So you'll be able to get various beverages, coffee, water, and then we'll have a little play area for children. So all the things you need to kind of make your way comfortable here and kind of kick off the patient experience at the new office. When it's time to come back for your appointment, you get to come back and see where a lot of the other changes have been made from our old office. So you'll notice that we went ahead and did really tall ceilings. We wanted that feeling of it being airy and it being light and bright. So we carried those tall ceilings all the way throughout the new office. When you first enter, there's a patient restroom, and then right past that is gonna be our new imaging center. We're really excited about this. It's gonna feel very comfortable, very open. We can go ahead and get the images you need before we bring you back to one of our operatories. This new office has 9 operatories. You'll see when you turn the corner in this hallway, lots of space, lots of different rooms that we can see more patients, and also onboard some new dentists that we're really excited about. So next you get to come see our newly designed operatory. Really excited about this if you want to come on in. We've added some big windows. Light is so important, not just in dental design and color matching, but also just for the patient experience to feel like you're not enclosed in a small, tight room. So we added as much light as we could. You'll also notice there's something interesting. We call it the cloud. It's this, it's kind of a floating column, and over it is going to be some ambient lighting, some indirect lighting. It's gonna further help our color matching. It's gonna be wonderful when we're doing aesthetic cases. And then it also is gonna allow us to mount a TV on the ceiling so that while you're having your treatment done, you have your entertainment. We'll get you cozy with the blanket. It's gonna feel really nice. So we're really excited about this new operatory. I think it's gonna feel really good for our patients and also be more functional for the dentist as we're working on different procedures. So as you continue down the treatment hallway, across from the rooms where we'll do most of your checkups, we have a new lab and storage and sterilization. All of that kind of starts right here. It's not something that patients see usually, but we've updated it to support more patient care. It's gonna be more efficient. I know that the people who work with us at our office, they're gonna love it. It's gonna be easier just to support all the care that we wanna provide in all of these rooms. So you'll see kind of across from there, we were just talking about the lab, there's an exit. That just makes it easier to access all of this while we're treating patients at our old office. Kind of had to walk back into a corner to access all of this. This creates a nice workflow. We can be much more efficient. We'll also have extra cart storage so that we can be doing those more advanced procedures more quickly. We'll be more mobile since we are growing to 9 operatories. This is just gonna help us be able to reach all our operatories, stock it, and get there with the tools that we need. So I'm excited to show this when it's done so you can see the updated systems that we put into place for patient treatment. All right, so here we are in the new break room. This is kind of the heart of the office. It's really important for those of us, the staff and the doctors, the people who work back of house. We'll have our kitchen, we'll be able to get our coffee and our water and keep our lunches and our snacks and things that keep us energized and going throughout the day with patient care. We've got a little bit more space here to have a bigger table, which is important for our staff meetings. our morning huddles, and also just for hanging out during lunch. So we're really excited to have a little bit more space. It's a little brighter, it's gonna feel a little nicer. It's just kind of long overdue for us to have this kind of space for just like the practice family. So this is what we'll have here. And then kind of just outside these doors, we're going to have a new doctor's office. So Dr. Chip and I, and then some of our other doctors that work with us, that's where you'll find them in between patients. It's just a space to go do notes and kind of catch up on things and plan our treatment. And then there's also an additional patient restroom and staff restroom, which will be really nice just to have a little bit more space for everybody. Thanks for coming along, taking a look at this office as we're working on it. I'm so excited for you to see the finished product when we get to move everything in and get moving. So, definitely come by when we're all done and check it out for yourself.